Hey there, everybody. Welcome back. So I got another project I'm working on here. I'm going to try to do this one as a quick build, um, especially after the debacle of my 1990 Mustang that I've been doing. You guys have been following along with that. Yeah, so that is definitely going to be stripped down and repainted. It's kind of a shame because I was really liking the way it was looking. So I guess if it was easy, it wouldn't be fun, right? So I'm working on or just started actually, the MPC 78 Dodge D100 pickup truck. It's kind of cool. It's got the little mini bike with it. And what I also like about it is, put the box over here. It's got some of the tools here, toolbox and the jack, and the cool light goes with it. So old MPC kit, and as we know, last time I did an MPC kit, I didn't really like it, but I know this one's a lot better. So let's look at the chassis real quick. Nothing fancy. You know, you don't really see the bottoms anyways. So the interior, ooh, drop that. The interior, again, nothing fancy. I just did it really quickly. Tried to weather the seats a little bit there. I don't know. We'll see how well that works out. I got to pick out the seatbelt there in a little bit. Paint those like a dark brown or something. So nothing fancy there. What I do got to do is paint the underneath of the interior there, because you'll see a little bit of it on the bottom. So match it all black there. Got the firewall painted for the radiator wall and the radiator itself. It's looking pretty decent. Going to definitely use the white walls with the Steelies, because the body itself, I'm going to paint it this Tamiya. It says dark yellow, but it's kind of a tannish color. But I kind of wanted a just kind of a plain truck. Body itself has had a lot of flash on it, but been working with it, so it's looking good. This is gonna be really cool. Dodges look really sharp, these pickup trucks. The engine is finished. It's gonna go into the chassis soon. But the engine itself, that's just Model Master's French blue. All straight out of the box, just painted in different colors. I think it looks pretty sharp looking. I don't know. I don't know how you guys feel about it. But yeah, that's looking really cool. I like that. So we'll put that back on its little stand there, and hopefully don't fall over again. Got the front grille painted. This is looking really cool. I like the way that came out. How about that, huh? So that's gonna look sharp. So I'm gonna work on this a little bit more. Hopefully get most of it finished this weekend. We'll see, and we'll see where we go. The Mustang will come back back on the bench a little bit later. So wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I hope you guys are doing well. Always appreciate you guys watching. Take care, everybody.